photosynthesis in higher plants, absorption spectrum, action spectrum. It is graphical representation of amount of light of different wavelengths absorbed by a pigment. It is graphical representation of rate of photosynthesis at different wavelengths of light. It requires a single exposure of full light. It requires light at various wavelengths. It is studied directly with the help of spectrophotometer. It is studied in relation with mainly O2 evolution or even CO2 absorbed. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B. Chemical formula is C55H72O5N4Mg. Chemical formula is C55H70O6N4Mg. It is primary photosynthetic pigment. It is accessory photosynthetic pigment. At carbon 3, it has methyl group. At carbon 3, it has formyl or aldehyde group. It is blue-green in color in pure state and is soluble in petroleum ether. It is olive green in color in pure state and is soluble in 92% methyl alcohol. Absorbs more red wavelength of light, absorbs more blue wavelength of light. Photosystem 1, photosystem 2. It has high chlorophyll to carotenoid content. It has low ratio of chlorophyll and carotenoid content. Its reaction center or photocenter is P700. Its photocenter or reaction center is P680. It has chlorophyll A content twice more than that of chlorophyll B. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B content is nearly equal. It is located in non-oppressed part of grana thylakoids and also in stroma lamellae. It is located in oppressed part of grana thylakoids only. Photosystem 1, photosystem 2. Photosystem 1 receives electrons from photosystem 2. Photosystem 2 receives electrons from photolysis of water. It is involved in both non-cyclic and cyclic photophosphorylation. It is involved in non-cyclic photophosphorylation only. It is not connected with photolysis of water. It is connected with photolysis of water. Photosystem 1 hands over electrons to NADP+. It hands over excited electrons to photosystem 1. Light phase, dark phase. Also called as light dependent phase, photochemical phase, Hill's reaction. Also called as light independent phase, biosynthetic phase, Blackman's reaction. It occurs over thylakoid membrane. It occurs in stroma of chloroplast. It is depend on light. It is not depend on light. Pigments absorb incident light during light phase. Pigments have no role. Instead, enzymes are involved for carbon dioxide assimilation. Light phase, dark phase. During light phase, incident light energy or solar energy is converted into chemical energy. Here, there is enzymatically controlled reduction or assimilation of carbon dioxide into glucose takes place. Photolysis of water and evolution of oxygen is present. There is no photolysis of water and evolution of oxygen during dark phase. It produces assimilatory power that is ATP and NADPH2. It uses ATP and NADPH2. Less influenced by temperature. It is influenced by temperature. Cyclic photophosphorylation, non-cyclic photophosphorylation. It is performed by photosystem 1 independently. It is performed by association of both photosystem 2 and 1. There is no need of external source of electrons. It requires an external source of electrons. It is not connected with photolysis of water and release of oxygen. It is connected with photolysis of water and liberation of oxygen. It synthesizes ATP only. It synthesizes ATP and also produces NADPH2. Cyclic photophosphorylation, non-cyclic photophosphorylation. It operates in low light intensity, anaerobic conditions and poor availability of carbon dioxide. It occurs in optimum light intensity, aerobic conditions and availability of carbon dioxide. It occurs mainly in stroma lamellae. It occurs in granule thylakoids. It takes place mostly in certain bacteria. It takes place in green plants. Calvin cycle, photorespiration. It is also called as PCR cycle, that is photosynthetic carbon reduction cycle. It is also called as PCO cycle, that is photosynthetic carbon oxidation cycle. It is a carboxylation process. It is a oxygenation process. Carbon dioxide is added to RUDP. Oxygen is added to RUDP. It brings about assimilation of carbon dioxide. It performs release of carbon dioxide. Here, carboxylase site of Rubisco enzyme is active. Here, oxygenase site of Rubisco enzyme is active. Calvin cycle, photorespiration. It occurs in high carbon dioxide concentration. It occurs in low carbon dioxide concentration and high oxygen concentration. It stores energy in glucose and releases oxygen. It wastes energy and consumes oxygen. It completes in chloroplast only. Three different cell organelles, that is chloroplast, peroxisome and mitochondria, are involved in completing this process. It is anabolic and a useful process. It is catabolic and a waste process. Calvin cycle, photorespiration. In Calvin cycle, only one time carboxylation takes place. In photorespiration, two times oxygenation occur, first in chloroplast and second in peroxisome. Optimum temperature for Calvin cycle is 20 to 35 degrees C. Photorespiration occurs at higher temperature, more than 35 degrees C. It is also called as C3 cycle. It is also called as C2 cycle. It occurs in all kind of plants. It occurs only in C3 plants. Calvin cycle, C3 plants. Hatch-Slack cycle, C4 plants. C3 plants perform only Calvin cycle. C4 plants perform Hatch-Slack cycle first and later also perform Calvin cycle. Calvin cycle is also called as C3 cycle. Hatch-Slack cycle is also called as C4 cycle. For C3 plants to perform Calvin cycle, optimum temperature is 10 to 25 degrees C. For C4 plants to perform Hatch-Slack cycle, optimum temperature is 30 to 45 degrees C. Calvin cycle C3 plants, Hertzschlag cycle C4 plants. Leaves of C3 plants do not have cranch anatomy. Leaves of C4 plants have cranch anatomy. Chloroplasts do not have peripheral reticulum. Chloroplasts have peripheral reticulum. C3 plants have monomorphic, that is one type chloroplast. Chloroplasts are dimorphic, that is two types in C4 plants. Calvin cycle C3 plants, Hertzschlag cycle C4 plants. Chloroplasts are found only in mesophyll cells, absent in bundle sheath cells. Chloroplasts are found both in mesophyll cells and bundle sheath cells. All chloroplasts are granule type. Mesophyll cells have granule chloroplast and bundle sheath cells have agranule chloroplast. In Calvin cycle, ribulose 1,5 diphosphate is first CO2 acceptor. In Hertzschlag cycle, phosphoenol pyruvic acid is first CO2 acceptor. Calvin cycle C3 plants, Hertzschlag cycle C4 plants. First CO2 acceptor has 5 carbons. First CO2 acceptor has 3 carbons. First stable product is 3 carbon compound, that is phosphoglyceric acid. First stable product is 4 carbon compound, that is oxaloacetic acid. Mesophyll cells perform complete photosynthesis, that is fixation of CO2 and reduction of CO2 into glucose as well. Mesophyll cells perform only initial fixation of CO2. A reduction of CO2 into glucose does not occur here. Calvin cycle C3 plants, Hertzschlag cycle C4 plants. In C3 plants, CO2 fixation occurs only once. In C4 plants, CO2 fixation occurs twice, first in mesophyll cell and second in bundle sheath cells. Calvin cycle is also called as PCR cycle, that is photosynthetic carbon reduction cycle. Hertzschlag cycle is also called as dicarboxylic acid cycle. CO2 saturation point is beyond 450 ppm microliter per liter. CO2 saturation point is at about 360 ppm microliter per liter. Calvin cycle C3 plants, Hertzschlag cycle C4 plants. CO2 compensation point is 10 to 25 ppm. CO2 compensation point is 0 to 10 ppm. The rate of CO2 assimilation is slow. The rate of CO2 assimilation is rapid. C3 plants perform quite high rate of photorespiration. C4 plants perform negligible rate of photorespiration. C3 plants are adapted to all kinds of climates. C4 plants are adapted to tropical climate. Calvin cycle C3 plants, Hertzschlag cycle C4 plants. For fixation of one molecule of carbon dioxide into glucose, C3 plants use 3 ATP and 2 NADPH2. For fixation of one molecule of CO2 into glucose, C4 plants use 5 ATP and 2 NADPH2. C3 plants cannot tolerate saline condition. C4 plants can tolerate saline condition. C3 plants are more efficient in photosynthesis at low temperature, and at high temperature photosynthesis activity get reduced. C4 plants are less efficient at low temperature, whereas at high temperature they show higher photosynthetic assimilation. Calvin cycle C3 plants, Hatch/Slack cycle C4 plants. C3 plants perform photosynthesis usually when stomata are open due to high demand of CO2 concentration. C4 plants can perform photosynthesis even when stomata are closed due to low demand of CO2 concentration from CO2 produced in respiration. Photosynthesis stops in water stress condition. Photosynthesis occurs even under water stress condition. Photosynthesis respiration. It occurs in presence of sunlight only. It continuously occurs both in light and darkness. It uses CO2 and H2O. It releases CO2 and H2O. Plants can survive for a number of days without photosynthesis. No organisms can survive without respiration even for few minutes. It is endothermic reaction, absorbs sunlight energy. It is exothermic reaction, gives out energy. Photosynthesis, respiration. Green cells or green parts of plants are capable of performing photosynthesis. Respiration is performed by all cells of an organism. It occurs inside chloroplast. It occurs in cytoplasm and mitochondria. It is anabolic process, results in increase in weight of organisms. It is catabolic process, results in decrease in weight of organisms. Photosynthesis, respiration. Glucose is synthesized and oxygen is released out. Glucose is broken and oxygen is consumed. It builds up complex compounds from simple inorganic materials. Here, complex organic compounds are broken into simple substances. Photosynthesis use CO2 and H2O as raw materials. In respiration, glucose and oxygen are raw materials. Photosynthesis, respiration. In this process, carbon dioxide is absorbed and oxygen is released. In this process, oxygen is absorbed and carbon dioxide is released. ATP is synthesized by harvesting light energy. ATP is produced from energy liberated due to oxidation of food. Radiant energy is converted into chemical energy. Chemical energy or potential energy released for utilization inside the body.